Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go!
Statistics problems involving normality conditions for sample proportions are actually quite simple if you follow these 3 specific steps to verify your data criteria very quickly. To verify the normality of a sampling distribution for a proportion, we must check the success-failure condition. This requires that both expected successes and failures are at least 10, okay? With a sample size of 40 and a probability of 0.525, we calculate the expected number of successes and failures to see if they meet the threshold. Since both 21 and 19 are greater than 10, the condition is satisfied. This confirms that the sampling distribution is approximately normal, so that makes option D our winner. Smart move! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid assuming CLT applies blindly, always check your counts and use the 10 rule instead.